Hello friends, so today we are making the turmeric tea. For this we require water, turmeric and ginger. Grated ginger I have taken 1 tablespoon. So first we will turn on the gas. As you can see, and I will add 1 cup of water in the pan. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of turmeric in the water. Along with that, we will add grated ginger to this water, and we have to boil this for at least 5 minutes. So let us wait for this. Now the tea has started boiling a little bit. We have to wait for 5 minutes so that it can boil completely and all the essence of the turmeric powder and the ginger will infuse in the tea. This tea is great for weight loss, and if you will see my 3-day detox diet plan, you will find that this diet can do the magic. So the tea is boiling now. Let us wait for a few more minutes. So you can see the tea is boiling, and I will let it simmer for 5 minutes. So the tea is ready, and it is giving a nice smell of the turmeric. So now I will switch off the gas. So now I have strained the tea, and this is how it looks like. This is a great source for the weight loss, and you should definitely give it a try. Please also watch my 3 days detox diet plan to lose around 3 kgs in 3 days before some party or function.